Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Beechley. We will be calling at City Hospital and Beechley. We will shortly be arriving at City Hospital. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Calling at Beechley only. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Your attention please. The 1313 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Beechley. The next station is Beechley. We will shortly be arriving at Beechley. Change here for services to Stepford Victoria and Willowfield. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please.